Once upon a time, in a peaceful countryside, lived a young shepherd boy named Leo. Leo spent every day watching his sheep graze. But today, he felt very bored and restless. Suddenly, a naughty idea popped into his head. He smirked, thinking of a way to have some fun. He ran toward the edge of the hill and screamed, "Wolf, wolf, help! There is a wolf." The villagers heard his cries. They dropped their tools and raced up the hill to save the sheep. But when they arrived, there was no wolf. Leo just laughed at them, while the villagers looked very annoyed. A few days later, the boredom returned. Leo decided to play his little trick once again. He cried out, "Wolf," even louder. Once more, the kind villagers ran up the hill to help. Again, no wolf. The villagers were now very angry. "Do not lie to us," they warned sternly. As the sun began to set, a shadow moved in the woods. A real, hungry wolf emerged. Leo was terrified. "Help, a wolf. A real wolf is here," he shrieked, his voice trembling. But in the village, they ignored him. "He is just lying again," they said, continuing their work. The wolf chased the sheep away. Leo sat alone in the dark, crying because he lost his flock. An old villager found him. "No one believes a liar, Leo, even when he tells the truth." Leo learned a valuable lesson that night. Remember, kids, always be honest.